Hello everybody, welcome back to Krueger Family Farms. Today I'm out walking Zoe. Zoe, come here girl. Come here. Come here girl. Drop it. Drop it. Come here girl. Yeah. She's got energy. Let's go. Zoe, come here girl. We're gonna head back from our walk now. So she can get inside before it gets warm. Zoe, come here girl. Come here. You want to say hi to the camera? Zoe, come here. Come here, girl. Zoe. 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 Zoe, baby. Hey. What you doing? Zoe, you want to say hi to the camera? Zoe, look. Hi to the camera.